Today we will learn how to create a smooth rolling transition which will make your video more engaging. So let's head to the timeline. First, I have taken two video layers here. Now we will create an adjustment layer. After that, we will set the split of the adjustment layer to 12. Next, we will place the adjustment layer between two video clips. Then we will go to the effect panel, search for offset effect and apply it to the adjustment layer. After that, we will search for directional blur in the effect panel and apply it to the adjustment layer as well. Now go to the effect controls and you will see both the offset and directional blur effect. First, we will enable the shift center to keyframe at the beginning of the adjustment layer. Then go to the end of the adjustment layer and rotate the shift center 3 times. Remember, the more you rotate, the more it will spin. Now drag the keyframe to the end of the adjustment layer. Next, in the middle, we will enable the blur length keyframe for the directional blur effect and increase it to 80%. Set the start and end to 0%. Now if we play it, you will see the animation effect working smoothly. To learn more video editing tips like this, click out our previous videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us.